But yet still, every day when I get up and brag about richness. Oh, I'm rich this and I'm rich that, and oh, this I'm pay for this shoes and this pants. But yet still, someone out there want a pound of flour right now.
Stone Love Selecta Fire Rush shunned after calling artists and producers to help with COVID-19 relief in his community. Welcome to the Dancehall IG channel. Yeah, people, so I'm going to tell you the story. I have a video with Fire Rush attack, and I tell you who him call specifically. Full story coming right up after the short clip from... Yes, people, so the song is called Farmer Man by Renegade, and it's produced by Small Axe Entertainment. And stick around for the full breakdown of the song, alright, people? And the rhythm, yes, sir, may I say, it's a good song and good rhythm. But let's get back into the story, people. So let's talk about Fire Rush calling artists to get aid for his community. And he must say them a go around him, yes, sir, may I say. Specifically one artist. So me I go play the video and make you hear who him say go around him. So listen to this.
I call all the one elephant man phone him. And I say, yo, what go on, brother? But after 8, 1 morning, I call him, I see him online, and I say, I make a call. And call him. I'm the first artist I call. And the last one. Because him reply was, oh, yo, Fire, yo, me not the band, yo, man. I feel that shoot me a deal with. Listen. You could have replied better than that, brother. Yeah, may I tell you? You could have replied better than that.
Well, people, them say there's 3 sides to every story, and this is Fire Rush side, you know what I mean? We don't, Elephant Man side. But anyway, what me I try to say is that I want to big up Dancehall Entertainment, because I see Dancehall I do for them relief effort, and also Ramesh them I do relief effort. A whole heap of other people that do it. So I say D'Angelo I move things too. Me not remember everybody right away, but big up the people them where do it. So I say, so big up the people them where help with the relief effort. So I say, and big up Fire Rush for trying to get in community involved too, because in the rest of the video he must say, you know, people, elderly people in a community where can really help themselves and then have nothing, so he might try if he do what he can do, and this a film where he could have do it, reach out to some artists. So me not really want to take away from the main focus and mission of him, the purpose of him video, so me I gonna make him talk a little bit and tell you what his mission is. So listen to him.
Fire Rush this from Stone Love attack, see? Artists and producers, whether in the music industry in Jamaica, I want to hear my cry now, see? Me is a youth, come from a place called Newland in a Portmore. Everybody have them family, everybody have mouth for feed. See? Big up the fortunate one them. The unfortunate ones, them we are trying to look out for. See? Enough of them that have food for eat. Enough of them can barely find a pound of flour for cook. See? So if you see this live now, and can help, you do the help, brother.